Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result. 1 year post-op with before and after photo by Dr. Diep. This is a year follow-up, and we did 100% FUE, and it's 1,373 graft to be exactly. And so the patient had a two procedure before with the neograph or some kind of robot. I don't remember, but again, there was very poor growth, and there's no artistry as well. As you know, I'm one of the very few surgeons who specialize in the RFA hair transplant using, and I do both FUE and the strip, but with the FUE I'll be personally pulling the roots one at a time. There are three groups that does FUE, and the best one will give you the best result. The surgeon, the question you always ask is, are you the surgeon who's sitting there pulling the root one at a time? If it is, if the surgeon says yes, he's the one, or she's the one who pulling the root one at a time, they tend to be the FUE specialist. And the people who cannot do FUE, they buy a robot machine and those stuff, or a neograph machine. And with the robots, they are not FUE, and the result is different. And of course, the neograph is 100% operated by the technician. This client, he went through those machine and with poor result. And I'm going to show the audience what it looked like before. And again, with my one surgery only, I'm going to show the audience what he looked like before. And that's still with the result of the two surgery using the neograph or the robot or some kind of machine he had it done. And still with poor density. And there's no artistry of creating hairline. So what I did, and you see that's poor density. And one surgery with 1,373 graft. And I recreate his hairline. It's looking much. We lower that, we fix it, and feather it up. I end up giving him a medium tight hairline to give him the density yet not draw attention to it. And this is with after two surgery and still poor density. And this is with one surgery by me. And you can see we went down at least an inch and a half on the right hand side, and I had to clean up his hairline. And he has a narrow face, so we arch up slightly. In the end, it looks really nice and clean. Same thing here. And that's with the previous two surgery with FUE, and this is one surgery done by me. And you can see how nice and natural. This is the medium tight hairline, and he looks completely different. Very young, very handsome young man. Basically, with a lower set of hairline and it framed the face better. It really not just bring back your youth, but it is very proportional. So then enhance your eyes, your nose, and all the features that God created. And look at that, before and a year later. And now my work of art come to life right here. For me, one of the great satisfaction being a hair surgeon is seeing my work of art walking around come to life after a year. You know, painting is one thing, or drawing on a canvas, but when you do on a client's head, it's a 3D image, and when you see it frame the face better, and when you see it enhance an individual feature, his or her eyes and nose, and bring out the best look that God created for them, and it really makes you be happy about your job. And for this client, actually he's extremely happy because he's pretty depressed about after that two surgery. He thought that it was him, maybe it's not the surgeon, but then in reality, after he did quite a bit more research, and he was quite a bit he saw my work online, he was depressed that, hey, why can't he result like that? And the great thing he told me is that now I'm so happy because I am on the other side, and you feel much happier. You are the client right on the video, and this is him. But he said, someday he's brave enough, he'll let me show the full face. But really, he's a very handsome young guy, and someday when he's become, but again, maybe he become famous, he don't want people to know. But I'm gonna comb through it for the audience to see. There's no, what do you call it? No topic, none of those stuff that add to it. This is his real hair and his real density. And the only thing he did was some kind of gel or foam or something, a styling product. That's it. if you can turn this way and go, and you can see how natural we created an excellent density, and we can comb it down for the audience to see. And it has Caucasian with a nice soft brown hair. You see how natural that is. Again, this is only 1,373 graft, and I dense pack a lot for him. And if you transplant that strategically, it will come out really, really nice. You can see how beautiful his hair is. And you see how this is called medium tight hairline with a smaller zigzag. Soft. Medium tight tend to give you the very good density. And if the celebrity tend to get the tight hairline, and the tight hairline draw more attention. Yes, it gives you density, but it draw too much attention. So medium tight, we kind of push the envelope of you know, density, but without drawing much attention to it. And can you look down for me? So for you see, and that's his real hair, 100%. No product, none to enhance the density. This is all from his real hair and from the transplanted hair using the FUE method, done by me personally. I'll be the one who designed the hairline, pulling the hair graft, and making site. Thank you.